What is going on, everybody? This is Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken keto pizza bowls. Now, I know you don't have a ton of time to be in the kitchen always, and sometimes you just need something quick. So we're going to take some leftover rotisserie chicken and make these. It's low carb, it's going to help you hit your fitness goals, and it tastes delicious. At this point, I would normally cue music and, B-roll, ingredients, cinematic, all that good stuff. But you know what? I'm going to spare you. Anything you would normally put on a pizza really is fair game here, just so long as, you're not a person who puts, bread on pizza. But, I just can't help myself. Here's what you'll need. First off, a note about hardware. We want to avoid anything Pyrex because we're going to put this under a broiler and it can break from the extreme heat. Instead, we'll use a simple bread loaf pan. It stands up to the broiler pretty well. If you don't already have one, there's a link in the description. While you're prepping all your ingredients is a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we have all of our ingredients in one place, we can start to assemble our keto pizza bowl. I recommend starting with the sauce, that way you are not going to have it stick, and then put a little chicken in there. From there, we're effectively making like a mashup between a lasagna pizza thing. I would recommend also halfway in the middle adding a little bit of cheese and a little bit more sauce. There's really no wrong answer here. However, I do recommend one pro tip. Save your onions and your salami for the top, as well as your jalapenos. Those tend to get a really nice flavor and texture when they crisp up under the broiler. Other than that, you pretty much have artistic license to do as you please. Also, whatever ingredients you think would be good are fair game. One optional ingredient that I did fail to mention in the beginning is some Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano. Either way, these cheeses have great flavor, and a little bit goes a long way. Plus, more cheese. It's delicious. Once those are assembled, we are going to pop them in our 400 degree preheated oven. I've made a couple here because, well, the leftovers are just as good. Because pizza. It's going to take about 15 minutes for those to get heated through. You're going to notice the sauce is bubbling. The top might start to get a little bit brown, but we don't need it to brown because we're going to set our oven to broil on high and then place these under the broiler. Now at this point, it is important that you keep a close eye on them. Since that broiling element gets so hot, you can go from underdone to this is completely inedible in no time flat. We want to make sure we don't walk away, as this only takes 2, maybe 3 minutes tops. And once that top gets golden brown, you can pull them out. We've got a total time of about 20 minutes of cooking here. A great meal when you're in a hurry and you want to keep it keto. That's just beautiful. Why don't you do me a favor, and if you've liked what you've seen so far and enjoy these recipes or just like seeing food B-roll, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and why not do the bell notification while you're at it? That way you'll know when a new video is out. And that's how you make Keto Chicken Pizza Bowls. They're not only simple and delicious, but they don't take much time, and the leftovers are great. Because, you know, it's pizza. It doesn't suck.